Shauna and welcome to my channel. Today we are in my very small closet. I can give you a bit of a close-up in just a minute, and we're going to declutter it. We're going to declutter and pull out some summer pieces that I don't want, I'm not loving, and I'm not interested in keeping. And before we get into that, if you like beauty and fashion content, if you like project pans, if you like capsule wardrobing, if you like conscious consumerism and thinking about your purchases, not overspending, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. That's the kind of content that you will find over here 3 times a week on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Now, the closet. We're very casual today. This is going to be very casual and talking through some pieces. There's going to be not 50%, but definitely a chunk. I only want to get rid of things that I'm interested in getting rid of. Now, by what I mean from getting rid of, there's going to be 3 piles. There's going to be keep, store for later, and donate. There's some things in here that I'm pretty sure I don't want, but I'm not 100% sure on that yet. So they're going to be removed from my closet, and they're going to be stored under my bed, somewhere like that, and kept for a few months, probably to the end of the summer. And if I haven't thought about them or looked for them, then I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of them. Declutter items are going to be, or the giveaway items, sorry, they're going to be given away. I've been saving a lot of stuff, and hopefully I'll be able to sell some stuff and donate some stuff fairly soon. What brought on this declutter was a very interesting thought. I have been toying with the idea of getting my own place, and I've been thinking about this for a while, and hopefully I can make that a reality in maybe the next year. But at the moment, it's like just an idea. And as I was thinking about it, and I was like getting dressed, getting ready for bed, and I opened my closet and I was like, if I move tomorrow, I wouldn't want to bring some of this stuff with me. That feeling of like that gut instinct of if I move tomorrow, I wouldn't want to bring this with me, made me feel as though I could make those decisions now, or were good reasons to perhaps do a declutter even though I'm not moving. Because to me, what's the difference between not wanting to bring the stuff while you're moving and being at home? Because I still don't want them. I don't know if that logic quite makes sense, but it does in my mind. It just was an incident that kind of made it clear that there were some things I didn't like. So I'm briefly going to show you my closet. It's all summer pieces. It's not totally everything. I do have some things in drawers, but it's the majority of things I can play with. So I will show you that really quick, and then I will get to decluttering. Okay, so my items are color-coded, somewhat. It does get a bit disheveled, and I'm actually gonna just go ahead and I'm just gonna pull stuff out, and I'm just gonna talk about them in sections. We're a little lower, so hopefully I can show you things more easily, and then I'll put them back and bring out another few. So let's start. I've featured this like chambray denim shirt in capsules before. I actually really like it. It was a hero in my May 30 by 30. Oh, these are some nice pants. They're from Encircled, very comfortable. My cherished overalls, I absolutely love these. They're not going anywhere. But the last 2 things that I want to talk about are the ones in my hands. I have this top, and I have this top. So clearly this top needs to be worn with something underneath. I probably wouldn't just wear a bra underneath. I would want some kind of layering piece underneath, like a t-shirt or a tank top. But I don't actually know if I would do that. Like I've had this, like I bought these around the same time. I feel as though you can kind of see that, like, I don't want to say crochet. This is not crochet. This is like kind of lace influence. This is several years old. I got these around 2016. This just doesn't do it for me anymore, so I am going to toss that. That one's going to be a giveaway. This one I'm not sure about. I never wore it a lot in like the prime, like when it was brand new, I feel like you can get a really good idea of like if you really are loving something when you first get it. Because if you buy it and you don't wear it off the bat, then I don't know, maybe it wasn't a good pick. So this just was never really worn, and I think I felt a little awkward about the crochet. So that's at least going to be a keep for later, or put it away for later. I think something fell on the ground. Okay, it's actually this that fell on the ground. This is just a basic, it's a swing tank from Old Navy. Like you can see, I feel as though if you've ever shopped at Old Navy, you kind of know what this feels like and what the draping is. I'm 5'2", and I don't know if this actually comes in a petite, or I have no idea. But this is so long. Like I kid you not, wear this probably as a dress. Like it covers my butt. Like it's so long, and swing tanks they're not really my thing anymore. I have a couple more in here. That's a declutter. Like this is kind of a swing tank too from the bottom. And I did get this last year. I got two. They're from Aritzia, or they're Free People. I can definitely get some wear out of this and keep this for now. But the other thing in this next section that I want to declutter is this. This is a tank from Dynamite, and this actually doesn't fit. That neckline is so low, and not in the like sexy v-neck kind of low, but in the, it looks like my wrong size low. So this one is also going to be declutter. And then I have this I was kind of thinking about, like, I don't know if Kimmy's are quite for me, or if this one is just not right, but it's not kind of something that I want to declutter quite yet, because COVID is not the time where I'm doing fancy things. So it's not really an accurate representation of kind of what I'm doing or what my habits would be in a regular summer. So I think I'm going to keep that for now. And then these two are both keeps. Okay, this next section, everything's a keep. I got a little bodysuit. I got a tank top, a little crop top. Oh, one of the very few truly crop things in my wardrobe. I got this ribbed kind of tank. Love that. Got a white tee. I got this kind of scallop tee. I got this. This is a crop tee from Aritzia. And then I have this. If you've watched any of my capsules, some of these will look familiar. Others are fairly new for summer. I mean, like, I haven't done a lot of capsuling for the summer. So I'm doing this because I'm also wanting to actually work on my capsule for the summer. So a couple things in here. I'm not going to show you, I guess, everything, because just a lot. This, I talked in a duplicates video about this particular shirt because it's like a heathered material, and I also don't really like the way pink looks with black. It just seems really harsh, and I have a lot of black bottoms. So this I am going to put in that capsule to force myself to wear it, like to see if I can, because this is something that I actually want to try and make work. This, I was so excited. Actually, this is really distracting. I was so excited when I pulled this out in, I don't know, April or May, and I have filmed with it, and I was so excited to wear it. But as it kind of sat in my closet and I was styling it, I kind of realized this isn't my style anymore. This is really preppy, and I don't really think that's me. And this, I don't know, this to me, for me, feels kind of cheap. There are other things in my wardrobe that also feel that way. It's not just this, but I think this is just a put it away for now and we can revisit later kind of piece. Everything else I think is good. There's a couple, like this one. This is another crop top, which is so funny because I don't wear crop tops. And then I have all of these ones. I actually got this when I worked at a fast fashion retailer a few years ago, and this has just been put away, hiding somewhere, and I found it recently. And this is also something I want to work into a capsule to see if I will wear it, because I'm not totally sure. And just finding out, oh, I could style this with things and trying it on, I don't really think is the solution for this. It's like, will I wear it in my day to day? And I want to figure that out. Okay. There's actually a few pieces in this little section that I think it's time to get rid of. The first is this. I have no idea where this came from. I don't wear it. I don't like it. That's going by. These off the shoulder kind of tops, I hate them. No matter how cute they look on me or on other people, I will not wear them. I think this is cute. I love a polka dot, but I won't wear it. I just will not wear it. And when I pulled these out for summer, this one in particular, I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. I love this. I love the way this looks. But I haven't worn it. I don't want to wear it. I don't know, that's so hard when you really like something like that. And like, you like something in theory, but in reality, no. There's a couple of dresses in here that I like. I have 3. I like them all. They all serve a purpose. I also have some skirts. These two I'm just showing you really quick because I am definitely keeping them. I absolutely love this skirt. I wore it on my birthday this year. I've worn it every time I've worn it. I really loved it. And then this one is a basic black button-up mini skirt. I like that one too. Now let's talk about these skirts. I used to be a big J. Crew fan. I'm not so much anymore. I bought this skirt in 2 colors, in the white and in the pink. I think the pink is just too preppy for me. I'm gonna put this one in the save for later pile. This, I'm honestly not sure what to do with because the scalloping on the bottom, so sorry if you can hear the vacuum. The scalloping on the bottom kind of makes this a little bit more preppy, but I watched Caitlin from Corporate Glitter. She's now, her Instagram, she's now Caitlin and her last name. I can't remember her last name, but she has a J. Crew skirt like this, except it doesn't have the scallops on the bottom. And this, I'm thinking maybe I could make it work. So I'm gonna put this in a style pile because the difference between this and this white one are different. These I know how to style, but I don't think I like, even though I like them in theory. I like them in theory and I know how to style them, but I don't think I actually wear them. This white one, I don't think is my style, and I also am not sure. Holy shit, that's loud. I don't know why we need a vacuum to go off 4 days a week. Somebody needs to explain that to me. The show must go on, I'm sorry. This, I just don't know if it's my style and how to style it. So this is the only one in the 2 style pile. And if I don't do it in the next month, it just means I'm not interested. So then I can get rid of it. And this, I did get it last year. This is so not me. It's almost comical. I did wear it to one of my grandparents' birthday. My nonna was turning 92. I wore it to his birthday and I was so uncomfortable in it, not because it's a skirt, but because it did not feel like me. So this is a definite giveaway. I just have a few things left in here, but all of these are kind of keep. I have these sweaters, which are the exact same as the one I'm currently wearing, just in different colors. And then I have 3 of the Airy Desert sweaters. I think I'm gonna take out the yellow one and just like put it away in storage. I'm gonna do that now because I actually wear the yellow one the most, like the yellow and the black, in the most, like majority of the year. I wear this blue one kind of almost exclusively in the summer. So I feel as though this one should be the one that's out. And then the black one, or like the faded black, is more like an all year round one. So I'm gonna just keep those 2. I don't really need a lot of sweaters right now. The other thing I'm not sure about is this t-shirt I'm wearing right now. It's very wrinkly. I washed it and then I don't know what happened to it, but you know, this is a color that I like as a color, but I don't know if I like on me or with my bottoms, because I also feel that this color looks very harsh with black. You know what I'm saying? So this one I also am gonna make a point to put in my capsule that I'm about to make, and hopefully you'll see it. I'm actually getting hot, but the lapel mic just works and functions so much better with the lapel. That's the majority of my clothes right now. I do have a couple of t-shirts that are just kind of hanging off in a drawer, and I do have some things that are like to be washed. I do have a couple of shorts, you know, like these and these, that there was not enough hangers to put them in the closet, because what I've been doing is I've been storing more of my clothes in my closet to kind of create a capsule. And I don't also have enough storage in my room for my clothes. There's some drawers in my dresser that, like my thicker sweaters, that I'm not going into at all, so it's kind of fine that they're there. I do need to go through some of my jeans and some of my like winter or fall stuff, but I'm not wearing a lot of jeans right now, and I'm not even going into that drawer. So if they're just a little bit overcrowded at the moment, that's fine. Their functionality is not something that actually needs to function right now, so that's okay. I've also decluttered my shoes. I'll link that video. There was shoes like this, and I was looking at them. I had said I wasn't sure about these, and I kept them here. And every time I've opened the drawer, or opened the door, sorry, I've looked at them and I'm like, these are just not me. So this is my official. These are actually going to be decluttered. And these ones here, these are too gross to keep. I tried to keep them. I tried to wear them. So these are officially gone. That's my official notice to you that they are departing. Anyways, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed this small-ish kind of curation of my summer items in my closet. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope to see you again around here really soon. Bye.